Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the manufacturing date of your LENOVO Yoga Slim 7. To find your device's manufacturing date, you have to close the lid of the laptop and take a look at the back cover of it. There you will find the information like serial number, model name, and what's important is the MFG date with the date next to it. And as you can see, my laptop was manufactured on September 16th, 2025. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.